J.C.L back here with another banjo lesson for you all. Double D tuning can also be done in double C tuning if you don't want to tune up or don't have a capo handy. We're going to be doing some Spotted Pony today. Spotted Pony is a great two-part D tune, common, played in jams a lot. And this is how it sounds. Fun little tune. Yeah, we'll jump right into it. First part is the melody is mostly played on the fourth string. So you go from the open to the second fret, fourth fret, and fifth fret, and you're gonna be doing that in a bum-dee manner. So bum-dee, fourth and fifth. And don't worry about the other strings ringing because that just gives it a nice open sound. I tend to do a little roll there, a little drop thumb roll. That might be too advanced for some of you, but for those of you who are acquainted with the drop thumb, you can do it. It's really easy. It's a really bouncy, funky thing to do. So really, you strike down, go to the second open, and then you thumb on the third open. Same strings all over. It's just that you alter your good practice thing to do. But for now, let's just go with the basic bum ditty. If you got something out of that, good for you. Yeah. So bum ditty, second ditty, third, and fourth and a fifth. Second phrase of the A part. How that is done is you hammer on the third string, second fret, thumb, and then first string, second fret, pull off, and then go to the open second thumb. Third and the fourth and the fifth. Hammer on open. First string. And go to your 5 chord, your 8 chord there. Second time through, you do it just the same, but a little Just the ending phrase is different. What you do is you hammer on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Open 1st and 2nd. Drop your thumb to the 2nd. And then the 4th fret, 3rd string. And then open 2nd string. 4th. So far we got the 4th and the 5th and hammer on, pull off. 5 chord. 4th, 5th, hammer on, pull off, and 5th fret and the 5th chord. And then 2nd time through. Open 2nd. So that's the A part. The B part is starting on your 1st chord. Drop thumb. 4th chord. Then just the same as the A part. And the 2nd time you play the B part, you do it a little different. And that's just how we did it in the A part, the ending of the A part, I think. So you drop here. It's that same lick. So there's your Spotted Pony. I hope you got something out of this. Might have been a little confused, I don't know. But yeah, happy picking.